Hey kids, let us see the objects and alphabets they start with today. Let us get started. This is a cake. Which letter does it start with? K. K. Cake. First, let us color it. 1, 2, 3. C, K, cake. Capital C and small c. Now next, this is an alligator. Alligator. Let's color the alligator. 1, 2, 3. Alligator starts with the letter A. A. Alligator. A. Capital A and small a. Alligator. Next we have a mushroom. Mushroom. Let's color the mushroom. 1, 2, 3. Mushroom. Mushroom. Capital N and small m. M for mushroom. Now let's see the next object. This is a hammer. Let's color the hammer. 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 H. Capital H and small h. Hammer. Next we have an egg. Egg. Let's color it. Egg. Egg. Capital E and small e. E for egg. Egg. Next we have a jacket. Let's color the jacket. 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 Capital J and small j. J for jacket. Jacket. Now let's see the next one. Next we have bread. Bread. Let's color the bread. 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 Capital B and small b. B for bread. Bread. Next we have a light bulb. Light. Let's color the bulb. Light bulb. L. Capital L and small l. Light bulb. Next we have a donut. Donut. Let's color the donut. Donut. Capital D and small d. D for donut. Next let us see. This is a glass of water. Water. Let's color the water. 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 Capital W and small w. W for water. Water. Next we have grass. Let's color the grass. 1, 2, 3. Grass. Grass. Capital G and small g. Grass. Let's see the next one. Next we have a pan. Let's color the pan. 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 Capital P and small p. Pan. Now let us see the next one. Next we have flowers. Let's color the flowers. 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 Capital F and small f. Flowers. Next we have a sofa. Let's color the sofa. Sofa. Capital S and small s. S for sofa. Let's see the words one more time. Cake. Alligator. Mushroom. Hammer. Egg. Jacket. Bread. Light. Donut. Water. Grass. Pan. Flower. Sofa. There you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.